In this video, I will explain you how to create user experience research survey. First, you need to click add-on Coffee Form and load form template, and then you can search user experience research. After you found it, click load selected template, and you can check the dashboard, responses, question, and the settings. Just refresh the page and click Coffee Form and get link. Just click continue and choose your account. Click advance and then go to Coffee Form. Here you just need to click allow. After you get the link like this, just copy it and paste it into your search engine. So UI/UX research survey form is now ready to use. You can also custom the questions. For example, here I want to insert new row. Like for example, I use text and just copy the text and I change it into, for example, name like this, and go to your form and it will show like this. You can also change the question type into date, like don't forget to use date text too, so it will change like this. The audience can pick the date easily. You can also delete the row if you don't use it anymore, so it will disappear instantly. Go to settings to change the background color of your form. For example, I change it into soft purple like this. Also, I want to add a new style for the title. I add the mark behavior here. You just follow the step. For example, for scroll amount, I use 25 here. And don't forget to close the code like /mark. And now the title will moving like that. Thank you.